Interface was founded in 1968 and is a U.S.-based, women-owned technology manufacturing company headquartered in Arizona. We guarantee the highest quality performance of our core products such as load cells, rotary and reaction torque transducers, multi-axis sensors, load pins, tension links, shackles, calibration and repair, instrumentation, load buttons, load frames, wireless telemetry, and calibration systems. Our organization is galvanized through our foundational 4 pillars: quality, service, accuracy, and innovation. Interface is the world's largest producer of low-profile load cells, including custom load cells. We help to design, create and build precisely customers require, quickly and cost-effectively. Every low-profile load cell we make is individually calibrated and tested through a series of performance tests, with no sampling, before it is shipped. Interface load cells will outperform competitors' load cells, guaranteed. We also manufacture our own self-temperature compensated strain gauges from our exclusive proprietary alloy. Our strain gauge bridges utilize an effective temperature compensation circuit design without adding modulus resistors as do most competitors. Zero temperature sensitivity is tested at both cold and hot temperatures for every sensor. Every load cell batch is creep tested to the tightest specification in the industry. Every Interface low-profile load cell is moment compensated to minimize sensitivity to extraneous loads. Interface provides higher outputs for better signal-to-noise ratio. Our vertical integration means shorter lead times, better quality control and lower costs. Our strain gauges are made and assembled in the same buildings as our final sensor testing is performed in-house. Interface's core differentiator amongst our competitors is precision. We are known for providing high accuracy, innovative solutions, engineering excellence and quality products that clients trust.